Comfortably Numb at the Pulse Tour 1994 Earl's Court. That first chord alone is like a force of nature. It's like a poof, right into your chest. There's so much power there. Listen. You just know something special is about to happen. And anytime I've played that song, or I've heard other bands playing it, that power's lacking. And we know it starts in B minor. But it just... And I've never paid a great deal of attention to it. I've always assumed it was Guy Pratt cranking his bass and getting a really nice punchy thick tone on the bass that's driving right into your face. But the other day I rediscovered my old Line 6 Pod HD 500X and I was playing about and I thought I'm going to try and recapture the Comfortably Numb tones like I did back in the day, and I found an isolated track for the Pulse guitar, and right at the start of it something caught my ear, and it was the way he'd added an F sharp in the bass. And instantly I was like, that's the tone, that is the sound, that's the secret. So rather than just the basic, so we'll try it with the backing track. Here's just the normal B minor first. And now we'll do it with the F flat, and the bass. Now the F flat and the bass.